Hello everybody, this is Stella and I'm here to introduce to you the Enikki Kit manga comic journal. If you love manga or anime and journaling, I've made the Enikki Kit for you. If you ever wished that you had cute drawings in your journal but don't draw very well, or you find that drawing in your journal every day takes too much time, if this sounds like you've found what you're looking for. Introducing the Enikki Kit. The Enikki Kit is manga and journaling all in one. It's full of templates, stickers, and kawaii papers. Now you can make a manga in your journal even without drawing. All the manga that you see right now, all these comics I've used, uses all the stuff from this printable. So you can make a page like this for planning or journaling. And for more ideas on how to journal with the Enikki Kit, follow me on Instagram at linesandgrace_IG. And don't forget to join the Enikki Club if you want to get monthly freebies like this. If you downloaded this Enikki Kit and check the Join Enikki Club checkbox at checkout, you're all set. If you haven't, join at https://linesandgrace.com/pages/the Enikki Club. So let's get right through it with the flip through. So this is the start of the journal pages. They are pre-made journaling and planning templates. This is the cover, and you can put your title on top. And you have an undated yearly spread. So you can use this any year that you would wanted to start journaling or planning. You can print this out on paper, or you could import it into a GoodNotes app as a PDF import. Yeah. And you also have your weekly templates from Mondays to Sundays for weekly planning. And I've included one of my favorite ways to journal, which are OKRs, objectives and key results. I've learned from Jordan Rayner from Redeeming Your Time. I recommend that you should use it. And here's a page for gratitude and a quote from Jordan Rayner. You can print it, make it like a wall art, pin it on the wall if you like. And here are some quotes pages for you. Any quotes that that stood out, you can just write it there. And you have more quotes pages and some dot grid pages that you can duplicate and print if you wanted more space to be more creative and for whatever journaling pages that you have in mind. And these are the manga templates panels, so you can add your manga stickers here, and create your manga, write a little story. And here we start the stickers. You can print these pages on sticker paper and cut them out to make your own stickers if you're doing journaling on paper. Or you could grab the digital stickers off the Enikki Kit collection. Just go to linesandgrace.com. It has all your journaling essentials, all the months in big and small sizes and different colors, as well as numbers. Some letters for when you want to make stickers out of some words that you want to emphasize. And here are weekly headers for mini calendars and calendars that you would do on cover pages. And here on the right are calendar dates every month that you can just cut down to size to fit the right month. And you don't have to write each month in. So we have this page for the months as well. I like using them for this when I journal daily. And of course, we have our stickers. So the stickers in the free Enikki Kit, you only have one character. This is Aika, but I have heaps of other characters and other poses. Check them out in the Enikki Kit digital stickers collection at linesandgrace.com. We have different sizes to fit all your journaling needs. You can also grab Aika for free from the collection as well. We have some speech balloons, we have some emo effects, and we have some comic panels that already have backgrounds to it to add more emotions to your manga. We have more manga panels here, a little bit smaller, and here are some more that express all the emotions like sadness, happiness, excitement. We also have washi tapes. Just cut them out for borders. There are also free washi tape digital stickers. And here are pattern papers for the coverings. And here are some blobs, some essential generic kind of stickers to use for backgrounds, behind text, and all the other stuff. That's it. Check it out, linesandgrace.com, for all the other digital stickers if you're into digital journaling. And you can also just print this out in paper, and it will be a fun way to journal.